Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful, very stunning designs of different videos, just looking like so amazing videos. I have shared with more attractive things, more attractive new ideas, and this video it's all about the crochet scattered dresses. Crochet scattered dresses for many attractive things, many attractive designs, ideas. For more creative, more fabulous video, just looking like so elegant designs, I have shared with newly things, newly ideas of scattered dresses. Crochet many patterns we have to share with you. Just looking so perfect videos. I have shared newly things, attractive designs, and attractive newly ideas for more creative things, and just looking so perfect videos I have shared with you. I have shared newly ideas of different patterns, different designs. Keep watching more fabulous videos I have shared with you. Newly things, ideas of scattered dresses. Scattered dresses are used in different patterns, different design. I have shared newly different colors combinations and different scattered dresses, frocks, and just looking so pretty and trendy, all these countries designs. And so this is amazing videos. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy, keep your home in abundance, and may you continue to enjoy my video like this. Ameen. So like these most amazing videos, most fabulous videos, and just looking so gorgeous design, more amazing videos, just looking like a gorgeous and more perfect designs. Keep watching, stay connected, stay will be gorgeous videos, just looking so pretty videos and more creative designs, ideas for related to any videos, for colors combinations, placements, and dresses placement comments are we have to share newly things, newly ideas, just looking so gorgeous videos I have shared with you. I hope सब कि आप लोगों को इस तरह की वीडियो and you amazing videos we have to share newly things, newly attractive designs. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. All subscribers, all new members will be amazing videos. So let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys